Would you know how to explain severe chest pain in English at a hospital? What if the doctor asks about your medical history and you freeze? By the end of this video, you'll confidently handle real hospital conversations in advanced English. In this lesson, you'll learn 25 real-life hospital dialogues, advanced medical vocabulary, natural doctor-patient expressions, 10 powerful medical words, 10 useful phrases and idioms. This is a natural, fluent, realistic English. Let's begin.
Good morning. What brings you in today?
I've been experiencing persistent chest discomfort since last night.
Can you describe the nature of the pain?
It feels like a tight pressure, almost as if something is compressing my chest.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how severe is it?
Around 7. It intensifies when I exert myself.
Does the pain radiate to your arm, jaw, or back?
Yes, occasionally to my left shoulder.
Have you experienced shortness of breath?
Yes, especially while climbing stairs.
Any dizziness or nausea?
Mild nausea this morning.
Do you have a history of heart disease?
My father had coronary artery disease.
Are you currently on any medication?
Only medication for high blood pressure.
Do you smoke or consume alcohol?
I quit smoking 2 years ago.
I'd like to run an ECG and some blood tests.
Is it something serious?
We need to rule out any cardiac complications.
I understand.
Have you been under unusual stress lately?
Yes, my workload has been overwhelming.
Stress can exacerbate underlying conditions.
That makes sense.
Are you sleeping adequately?
Not really. I average about 5 hours.
Sleep deprivation can aggravate chest symptoms.
I didn't realize that.
I'll also check your blood pressure now.
Okay.
Your blood pressure is slightly elevated.
That's concerning.
We'll monitor it closely.
What happens next?
If the results indicate risk, we may admit you for observation.
I see.
Try to remain calm. Anxiety can worsen symptoms.
I'll try.
Have you changed your diet recently?
I've been eating more processed food.
Diet plays a significant role in cardiovascular health.
I suppose I need lifestyle changes.
Exactly. Prevention is better than cure.
I agree.
We'll create a treatment plan based on your test results.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You did the right thing by coming in early.
I'm relieved I didn't ignore it.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Persistent, continuing for a long time. Radiate, spread to another area. Exert, use physical effort. Coronary disease, heart disease. Complication, additional medical problem. Underlying, hidden but important. Deprivation, lack of something. Elevated, higher than normal. Cardiovascular, related to heart and blood. Observation, watching carefully. New phrases. What brings you in today? Why are you here? On a scale of 1 to 10, how strong is it? Rule out, check and remove doubt. Run some tests, do medical tests. Under a lot of stress, very worried. Exacerbate the condition, make it worse. Slightly elevated, a bit high. Remain calm, stay relaxed. Prevention is better than cure, stop problems early. Great job listening, you learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.